Okay, everyone, now we're heading to Crawford Green, without a doubt, the center of campus activity. Here, we have Tanner Crampton waiting for us. He's a junior with a double major in aviation management and air traffic control with a minor in unmanned aerial systems. Pretty impressive, Tanner. And he's very excited to share with us what Florida Tech life is all about here on campus. Tanner, how are you? Take it away.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to Florida Tech. We are proud to be one of the most diverse campuses in the state of Florida. One of my favorite things is that there's always something going on campus. With over 165 clubs, you will be sure to find your new family. Personally, I love being social. I love getting involved, all while having strong academics. Florida Tech gave me the perfect opportunity to do just that. It all starts right here on the Crawford Greens, the heart of campus. From your first event at orientation to your last at Grad Bash at graduation, you will have made so many memories to love and cherish. You never know what might be going on around here. There are so many different types of events, but my favorite is the local farmers market. They have local vendors, farm animals, food trucks, and my favorite, the hummus stand. When your busy day is over, you can head on over to the Panther Plaza, where we have many movie nights, or to Southgate Fields, where you'll find our intramural sports practicing or Greek Life hosting their philanthropy events. Doing all of those activities works up an appetite, or at least it does for me. Head on over to the Rathskeller or Black Cat Cafe, where I like to grab a bite to eat with friends, listen to some music, sing some karaoke, and of course, play some games. What makes this all so enjoyable, though, is the relationships and friendships you make along the way. We have clubs from every area of interest, from esports to radio stations, music, theater groups, and so much more. Where I've made most of my memories and friends is when I chose to join Greek Life, where we pride ourselves in community, leadership, and of course, brotherhood and sisterhood. It's evident to me that you're not only here for the classes and labs that prepare you for the future, but for your college experience as a whole. My advice, be bold, and remember to make your college experience unique. Remember, to keep an open mind, be outgoing, and be you. Alex, back to you.
Tanner, that was fun, great job. With all the clubs and orgs and other ways to get involved, it sounds like there's always something to do here at Florida Tech. Maybe that's why every person I meet seems super happy to be here. I love it. What a fun campus. Thanks again, Tanner.